Modal verbs. Hi everyone, today we are going to talk about modal verbs. These modal verbs are used to express something. Some commonly used modal verbs are may and might, can and could, must, should, would, and will. We use modal verbs to talk about someone's ability or inability to do something, necessary actions, a possibility, asking for permission. But remember, a modal verb is always used before a main verb in the base form. May and might are very similar. There is a slight difference between the two. May is used for possibility, asking for, grant permission, or request. For example, it may rain today. This is the possibility. You may leave at 4 p.m. This is permission granted. May I know who is calling? This is request. Can and could. Now let's talk about can. So if we are really making general statements about something that is possible, we use can. Can is used informally for asking and giving permission, making request, and to show ability. For example, can I go home now? This is informal permission. Can you lend me your pen? This is informal request. Anita can cook well. This is the ability. Now let's talk about could. Could is used to ask for permission, make request, and to express ability in the past. For example, could I borrow your notes for reference? This is permission. Could you help me in washing the dishes? This is request. I could already do karate by the time I was 4. This is expressing the ability. We also use must when we are confident and sure of something. Must expresses obligation or necessity, especially when one doesn't have any other option. For example, you must take up your responsibility as an heir. This is obligation. He must work hard to clear the exam. Should. Should is used to show advisability. There is always a choice whether to do something or not, because advisability is not seen as necessity. Should is also used to show expectation. Example, you should go for a morning walk. This is advisability. Rima should be here any moment. She is very punctual. This is expectation. So now let's talk about would. Would is used if we want to talk about unreal or unlikely situation that might arise now or in the future. It also expresses habitual actions done in the past. For example, how would you manage if I wasn't here to help you? This is unlikely situation. I would spend long hours listening to stories in my grandmother's lap. This is habitual action. Hi, Mr. Will. If you are certain about something, then use will. Will is used with promises and willful actions that will take place in the future. It can also be used to make predictions about future. I will stand by you through thick and thin. This is promise. I will take care of all the arrangements. This is willful action. I think it will snow tomorrow. This is prediction. So remember that there are different meanings for all these modal verbs. Well, I hope that you enjoyed this lesson. Till then, bye-bye.